Hi guys, we are on vrm24.com, repair of the day, Huawei Honor 20 Pro, network is not working after water damage. Obviously, we need to disassemble the phone first. And our next step is problem identification. One of the most common issues with a network lost on this model is water ingress through the SIM tray hole under the modem shield. The water often affects the switch IC located at the edge of the board. So we using a soldering station carefully remove the metal cover and inspect the damaged components. The photo shows that only a small amount of water has entered, but it is enough to cause issues. Next we cleaning the damaged components. We use a brush with a degreaser to thoroughly clean the damaged areas from oxidation. Even though everything looks fine visually, the network is still not working. After that, we're removing the IC. With a hot air on soldering station, we remove the IC. It is immediately noticeable that the contacts where the voltage is supplied have burned off on both the board and IC. Next step, we're restoring VBAT power. The VBAT voltage can be supplied from the nearby capacitor. We use a thin copper wire to connect the capacitor to the missing contact under the IC. After that, we apply ultraviolet mask. We apply ultraviolet mask to the restored contact and place it under a lamp for curing. Under a microscope, the contact on the IC was successfully restored and it was rebolted without any issues. Next step, we're removing flux residue. We use flux off to clean off the remaining flux and prepare the area for soldering. Finally, we're soldering the IC. We solder the IC back in place over the restored contact. Last step is testing. We insert the board into the phone and check the network. The network indicator is now showing, 4G is working and the signal strength is full. So repair was successful.
Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.